Hello everyone. Happy June 18th. Today we celebrate creativity, relaxation, and indulgence. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's International Picnic Day. A day to enjoy the outdoors with good food and great company. A perfect gift could be a picnic basket set, a cozy blanket, or a selection of gourmet snacks. What's your favorite picnic spot? Let's share in the comments. Next, it's International Sushi Day. A celebration of the art and flavors of sushi. A thoughtful gift could be a sushi-making kit, a dining experience at a sushi restaurant, or a book on Japanese cuisine. What's your favorite sushi roll? Share in the comments.
Check one.
Before our last event, are you enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Splurge Day. A day to treat yourself to something special. A great gift could be a luxury item, a spa day, or an experience you've always wanted to try. What's your favorite way to splurge? Share in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for July 6th to 10th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!